Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Mansi and today I am going to tell you about some 8 tips. 8 tips how to concentrate on and focus on studies. So please watch this video till end. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first is turn off your phone. So guys, please turn off your phone or keep it to another room, or you can silent your phone, because if the phone will be on, so if anyone's call comes, so your distraction will be on phone, so you will not focus on studies. So you please turn off your phone or keep it to another room, then silent your phone. Then second is find a comfortable place. So guys, you study on the table, because if you will study on the table, so your concentration will be on studies. And if you will study on the bed, so you will be feeling sleepy and you will be feeling sleepy and your concentration will be not on studies. So study on the table, your focus will be on table studies. So third is that make a list. So guys, you can make a to-do list if you forgot things what you have to do. So at night, every night you write, tomorrow this I have to do and this I have to do, and then your blocks are made. There you make a tick mark when you finish that work. So this is very good thing, you will be remembering whenever you will be seeing this. Okay. Then fourth is that shut off everything. So it means that you sit in alone room, anyone will not there, only you will be there, and no phone, no distracting thing which distracts you from the study. Okay, so if you will study on alone room, so your concentration will be on studies. Okay, so time yourself. So guys, it's very important to take time to yourself and to give time to your family also. It's very important, because every time if you will study, so that's not good. You take time to yourself also and to your family members also. So you can play games with your family, and you can help your mother, you can plant trees, you can give water to plants, you can do nail arts, hairstyle you can make. And guys, if you have not seen my before video, in that I have tell 6 things about what you can do when you are getting bored. So please see that. Then it's sixth is clear your desk. So guys, whenever you go to study, so first organize your desk and then study, because if the desk will be not clean, so you will be thinking it's very dirty, I will not study here, so your concentration will be not in studies. So first organize your desk and then study. Then seventh is award yourself. So guys, it means that if you imagine that your teacher is awarding from your teacher is awarding you award, medals, trophies, so you will be get motivation. Or if you have medals at home or trophies, so you can take that and hold in the hand, and you can imagine that teacher is giving me award, and this is a great motivation for you all. So eighth and the last one is frame a picture of your goal. So guys, you can take from Google one goal picture. You can take this picture only, and you can take a printout and take a photo frame. In that you stick this picture, and the photo frame in which you have stick this picture, you keep it on the table. And whenever you will read this, don't ever stop until you reach your goal. So you will be getting more motivation. Yeah, I have to reach my goal, I have to study hard, and I have to get trophies, and I have to reach my goal, and I have to complete my goal. So this is a great motivation to you all. So guys, and one more thing, from today whenever I will make the video and I will send it, so in that I will tell you one thought every day. Okay, so thoughts of day, and you can make one diary. In that you every day write a thought. you search in Google thoughts of the day, and in that many thoughts will be there which you means that this is good thought for today. So you can write in that diary, and like this only you do every day. Okay, so this is a great motivation to you all also. So till this was my video, 8 tips to concentrate or focus on studies. So if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, bye bye.